Yes, those are my stairs. Even though they were kind of jacked up beforehand, but yeah, time to redo this old paint job.
Brownie and Oliver, come on. Come on, Brownie. Come on. Brownie.
I don't know why I do that. They don't listen to me.
Brownie. Come on. Look at Becky. Come on, Oliver. I'm not going upstairs. Come on. I'm not going upstairs. Come on. Come on, Becky. Come on. Come on, guys. Look, I'm going to go down the steps. Come on. Come with me. Come on, Becky. I have to go get her. Oh, she blind. Becky. Come on, Becky. Oh, she might come. Come on. Come on, Becky. Come on. Come downstairs. Come. Come on, Becky. Come on. Look at her smelling. She don't know who she talking to. You smell me now? Becky. Becky. Come on. I'm sorry. Come on, Becky. Yeah, use that good scent. Let's go. Yep. Come on. I know you can smell me. Let's go. Just trying to make sure, right? I'm over here. There you go. Hi. I gotta paint the stairs. Come on. Come on. Girlian.
Today's project didn't start off as me waking up and wanting to do these steps. I did want to do them days ago and I didn't, but yep. I had to do something. They were jacked up and yep. This paint is pretty good. It covered pretty well. I think it said it was porch paint, but I don't remember at all. So, yeah. But anyway, I painted the steps again. Yeah, I painted the wood steps. I painted them. They are painted. Let me stop messing with people. Yeah, people be tripping about stuff like, if you die, nobody's gonna care about the fact that you painted those steps. Nobody's gonna care about the fact that you redid a dresser. Nobody's gonna care because you're dead. Anyway, moving past it. I gotta stop being so dark. What's that called? I don't actually even know what was in this jar that I poured into this bin to put on this stuff. There are 2 jars that were under the sink. One had glue and water. One, I think, had... No. I think one had white glue and water, and one had Elmer's glue all and water. That's why one was thicker than the other. I was thinking one of those was Mod Podge, but I don't think it is. Who knows? Either way, it's something I put on there that was in a jar underneath the sink that we made before to glitter stuff. Like those letters that I glittered. The letters and numbers that I glittered gold. I use that for it. But yeah, this is it while it's wet. That's why you see all the glue just sitting on the landing. It dries clear. It'll be alright. I'm just waiting to see if it peels or not. But after I was done, I, kind of handle that. I'm over here pointing out my flaws and whatnot.
Right there. I can see it.
The little overlapping part. And I went to cut those little overlappy parts off and freaking sliced my finger. That was crazy. Yeah, but that's my dilemma. The dog, I actually spilled the whole thing on there. I was trying to wipe it up, but yeah, the dog and spilling this stuff is wild. But anyway, I had to stop because I'm on the Xbox and of course somebody's asking me about me talking because I'm a weirdo who is in an Xbox Live party. Yeah, it's okay. But yeah. That's me cutting off the edges and things. And then I eventually had to stop because, like I said, I sliced my finger. I, like, literally cut through my nail, too. And the way it happened, it's such a little cutter, and that was crazy. It was such a little cutter. And the slice was just so small, and I did not notice it went through my nail. It's crazy. Yeah, this person is talking about I'm having a long monologue, but I am recording a video. But it's okay. It's just weird for him because, you know, I am sitting in an Xbox Live party. I need to figure out what I want to play. I'm just sitting here. Anyway, so once it dried a little bit, I sprayed it with some more glue. And, well, this time I sprayed it with water and Mod Podge as kind of like a seal, even though it didn't really need it. I just was being extra because of me not sealing the closet when I did it. Yeah, I don't even have videos of me doing that. But yeah, whatever. That's me sealing that. And once I got done spraying all that and making that whole mess, I took a wet rag and just wiped the whole steps up. Like the whole, yep. Yeah. Because that stuff literally comes off with water. And yeah, it comes off water. That's fun. But it really turned out nice. I didn't expect it to turn out nice. And I feel like in parts I can tell that the color of the step was coming through. And I was like, ooh, I should have actually painted those parts of the step that were the wood. But it's all right. It doesn't matter. Because even if it turns, that lighting up there is yellow. I want to turn it to white. Anyway. I might put some lights to the steps. I have to think about these things. I lost a whole roll of LED lights. The light strips that go around the room, like how I had it in my other room when I was downstairs. I lost the whole roll and don't know where the hell it is. That's crazy. But yeah, for me, it turned out nice. And that's all that matters for now. Till later when I realize I want to do something else. I actually want to do some words as you're going down the steps so you have something visually to look at when you're going down the steps. Something inspirational-ish and whatnot. And I had to fix those railings. All of these pictures are garbage because I couldn't get... The videos are showing.
I mean, it's finished for the most part. Not really.
Picture.
Of course, I got paint on the sides here, but those sides I actually want to...
I don't know.
Put black or something on there.
I don't know. Maybe I have to put some serious lighting down there because the bottom of the stairs is so dark. I don't know. But yeah, it turned out good. The 3 animes that I used, well, mangas, but it doesn't matter. The 3 that I used is Black Butler. Bro, manga, it doesn't even fucking matter, okay? It's a book with fucking pictures and I read it occasionally. You can shut the fuck up and shut the fuck up. Anyway, let me stop arguing with people in Xbox Live parties, okay? Because they're not here. Anyway, yo. Anyway, where was I at? See, you made me lose my You made me lose where I was at. Yep, don't know what I was talking about. But anyway, it was Black Butler, Promised Neverland, and what was it? Auron High School, right? Host Club. Yep. Anyway, yeah, I got the whole, what's that called? I have the whole collection. Yeah. Yeah, my bro him got it for me for was it my birthday or Christmas? One of those things. But he gave it to me. Yeah. Because I wasn't trying to throw his name out there into the mix. Yeah. Bro, the main character is a girl. It's not a BL. So what? She dressed like a dude, but we know that she's... the twins are just fucking straight up Leos. They are fun. They're fun. But anyway, yeah.
What's going on,
I was
Bernie?
thinking about that for Black.
I'm not trying to run away from you.
It gives off really
Oh, there's a cat.
like.
This
Yeah.
is Sage.
But they know she's a girl. That's the thing. But she does dress
You wanna
like
go
a dude,
outside?
but they know she's
Jingling the doorbell.
a girl. Bro, it's okay. Anyway, but I mean, Black Butler kind of gives off those vibes too, because I mean, his butler and him and his like, yeah. But anyway, that's how the stairs turned out. The animals tested it out. Of course, you just had to sit here and listen to me have a whole conversation with a person that is inside of a headset because they won't stop
going on, Bernie?
talking to me.
I'm not trying to run away from you.
They're not
Oh,
inside my
there's a
head.
cat.
I'm going to continue to talk to them. How about I
This
turn
is
y'all
Sage.
up and then y'all be heard? Okay. Anyway, we're not talking to them. They suck.
You want to go outside?
Bananas.
Jingling the doorbell.
But I do want to record some games where we where we can hear y'all talking. Anyway, oh, this shit ran out. Bye.